What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best paint thickness gauge for cars 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. If you are looking for best coating thickness gauge, you could pick VVV Group CM206FN. It provides great resolution, the price is friendly for the budget. However, there are a few drawbacks you have to know. Like the standard paint thickness gauge, this one has fulfilled the criteria of being able to detect magnetic and non-magnetic material base in a single probe and display it on the screen. One thing that really stands out of this PTG is its resolution. This one provides it up to 0.001 mils resolution. However, you have to know that the resolution decreases as the thickness of the surface gets thicker. Feel an enjoyable inspection due to its speed reading. It doesn't need to take too long to take a single reading. Though fast, you need to wait for the audible tone sounds to take the reading. No continuous reading feature is available. In addition, it's able to measure the coatings despite the surface is convex. Range: 0 to 1350 0 to 53.2 mils resolution. 0.001 mils on the screen, you could vividly see the reading. There is also the average readings can be seen. The unit reading displayed on the screen is also convertible in 3 different units, micron, mm, and mil. It comes with 2 rectangle calibration metals, aluminum and iron, a small carrying pouch, and manual instruction. The calibration instruction will be seen clearly in the manual. In the case of calibrating, you could only calibrate the 0 reading because no calibration films included. Don't get confused about choosing between CM206FN, CM208FN, and CM288FN. The 208 has more functionalities, especially on display. We can see some more statistical readings such as the lowest reading, the highest reading, and the average, which is more preferred for precision measurement. While the 288 has an extra standard deviation value on the LCD and the construction is more ergonomics. Number 4. This coating thickness gauge meter also has a color screen. Obviously, this trend is slowly being adopted, and that other manufacturers are going in the direction. However, this thickness gauge meter paint tester's most significant advantage is that it has a built-in battery. In this way, you do not need to constantly change the batteries. Still, it is enough to plug the device into a USB connector that also charges the built-in battery. Of the other possibilities, it has a function that can announce the measurement results by voice. This is very handy because you don't have to constantly look at the screen of the device. It also has an automatic shut-off function. The user can choose after how prolonged inactivity the device can be switched off. The measuring working range is from 0-1351 mil. While the user interface is very similar to that of smartphones, you will find your way around it very quickly. Number 3. If you are looking for the best of the best, you can't go far wrong with VVV Group's Industrial 818 Professional Digital Coating Thickness Gauge. This incredibly high precision coating thickness gauge has a resolution of 0.001 mils, making it more than adequate for car inspections. It has a measuring range of 0-197 mils, 0-5 mm, for magnetic metal surfaces and 0-118 mils, 0-3 mm, for non-magnetic metal surfaces. The digital LCD screen displays the readings clearing, and the user interface is simple to use with 3 measurement units, mils, and mm. In the package you will receive one Industrial 818 coating thickness gauge, a calibration set for aluminium and iron plate, calibration foil set 50, 100, 250, 500, 1004 PC, shockproof case for carrying and storage, 3 AAA batteries and a manual. If you inspect a lot of vehicles or are planning to use a coating thickness gauge a lot, this professional device may be worth your investment. Number 2. The CM205FN thickness gauge is definitely my favorite. It comes from a reputable company in the automotive industry. So, I'm not surprised that this product is a bestseller. In the package, in addition to the device itself, you will receive the following parts: instructions for use in English, a calibration set required to calibrate the instrument before first use. You will also receive several aluminum foils, and of course, a bag in which you can safely store the device. In terms of dimensions, the paint thickness measuring device does not stand out from the others. In terms of screen, the screen is 2.2 inches with a backlight. Thanks to the backlight, you can work in less lit rooms. Of course, the most crucial part of this tool is definitely the sensor. Realistically speaking, if the sensor is not accurate, then the device is no help to you. In fact, it can only cause you unnecessary damage due to incorrect data. The CM205FN only needs AAA batteries to get started. It can measure layer thickness in ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Its measuring range is between 0–1500 ohm, which is really impressive. Number 1. If you are looking for one of the best coating gauge thickness tools, you can't go far wrong with Array's paint thickness gauge. The measuring range of this gauge is 0 to 2000 ohms, 78.7 mils, and it comes with an easy-read LCD screen. Array's gauge has 4 profile groups with a total of 80 readings per group. Each group can have its own alarm settings, special limits, and even its own calibration. If you decide to save your data, the gauge can store 320 readings before it needs to be cleared. The data stored in the gauge can then be transferred to a PC for analysis. Array's software is compatible with Windows SVR 2000, 2003, 2008, and Windows XP Vista 7, 8, 10, 32 and 64 bits. One great feature we love on this gauge is that you can set an upper and lower limit. When you cross these limits, an alarm will be displayed on the LCD screen. This gauge will be perfect for those who want to check for rust, repairs, or other bodywork problems on used cars. The Array Paint Coating Thickness Gauge is one of the most popular and well-reviewed LCD screen coating gauge thickness tools on the market. It also comes with an excellent 24-month free replacement guarantee. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.